Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need two essentials now: a delivered order and the Daraz app or website open. Once you have those, go to My Orders and locate the specific purchase. Do that immediately. Tap Write Review to start. Choose a star rating first because it structures your feedback. Next, add up to 5 photos to prove condition or packaging. Take clear shots and select images that show flaws or highlights. This helps buyers and sellers understand the rating you give. Now write the review body and explain why you picked that rating. Start with condition and whether the product matches the listing. Give 1 sentence on performance or fit. Then cover delivery and packaging: fast, delayed, damaged, because that matters to future buyers. Use 1 to 3 short pros and 1 to 2 cons so readers see trade-offs. Once done, include any usage tip or compatibility note. Make your tone factual and helpful rather than emotional, which improves credibility. When you finish, tap Submit and wait for the platform to process your input. Moderation may delay visibility briefly. Make sure to check order details later if you want to edit or add photos. Daraz often allows updates within a set window. Monitor seller replies and respond if they offer a resolution. If your review won't post, try clearing app cache, updating to the latest version, or logging out and in. If that fails, contact Daraz support with screenshots for faster help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.